In this video, using lean automation, we will show the use of a component, made to be used in the generation of SCADA systems, to monitor industrial substations. An application with one line, LT1, relay 311 liter, one transformer, TR1, relay 387A, one bus, bus 1, relay 351A, and two feeders, FD1 and FD2, relay 351A, will be generated. In the case of low and high priority alarms on a bay, it is signalized on the relay, as shown in the figure. Let's start a new project, named SE Example. Once the new project is opened, in Run, Extensions, Components, we will include the component, named Industry Component. After adding the component, a project build is done to check if there is no error due to object conflict. After the build was created 4 lines example, bar, feeder, transformer and line. You should use this lines to create your bays. Note that, in the project, the history list, I/O points and alarm list are empty. Now we have created our substation, generating one line bay, one transformer bay, one bar bay and 2 feeders. In this application, we will use the protocol DNP 3.0 for communication with the relays. In the comments and categories, information will be placed to instantiate the variables during their explosion, deploy. After we create the bays, we copy and paste them into the main application screen. In the symbol library, the name of the bay is identical to the name of the template type. After completing the main screen design, we created 5 DNP 3.0 channels, TCP/IP and 5 nodes. One for each relay, respectively. Finally, deploy module is executed, instantiating all objects from all bays, creating the list of variables that go to history, the I/O points associated with their nodes, and the alarm condition list. We verified that all lists have been created. Since the layout of the screen is different from the default project, we changed the layout. Now, let's run the program and check its features. When you start, the program asks for username and password. Any circuit breaker and switch can be turned on, off, and be locked. When locking, a flag sign is inserted near the equipment, and it is possible to write an explanatory note that will be recorded in the notes of this equipment. Entering simulated mode, all events and alarms are no longer recorded, and the system goes into the normal operating state. All commands can be executed in simulated mode for operation training. The system, in simulated mode, stops using the real value of the variables and starts to use the estimated value. Navigating to the communication screen, the status of communication with the relays is shown, in case all are out of communication. A click on any relay shows the internal indications of this relay. It is possible to reset any relay, as well as to place it in local or remote operation. Through the watch window, we can simulate alarms and check the behavior of the system. We caused 2 protection alarms, one on the LT1 line and the other on the bus 1 bar. And when navigating to the current alarm screen, both are represented, without acknowledgement. We recognize the first alarm and it signals this recognition. In the main screen, a click on any relay makes us navigate to the detail screen of that bay where the relay is. On this screen we have the bay protections, the analog measures and the events of the day. In the communication screen, when we select a relay, it opens a window with its internal indications and through the watch window, we change the value of the internal indication.